Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Red Short webinar. My name is Mac McKee. I'm the Sales Director at Red Sky Alliance, and today we'll be discussing White Rabbit ransomware. Please check our website for a related article. A new ransomware family called White Rabbit appeared in the wild in December 2021 with an attack against an unnamed American bank and has since been examined by Trend Micro, who say it could be a side operation of the Fin8 hacking group. Fin8 was first identified in 2016 and typically targets point-of-sale systems with malware attacks designed to steal credit card information. Now it appears that the group could be following the money and shifting towards ransomware campaigns. According to researchers, White Rabbit uses tactics that have never been seen before, and that its payload binary requires a specific command line password before it goes ahead with the ransomware and encryption routine, a technique that allows the payload to remain undetected until it's executed. The payload is hard to detect because the file is small, only 100 kilobytes, which appears to show no signs of activity. It contains strings for logging, something that could give away malicious intent, but these can only be accessed with the correct password as mentioned before. In the sample analyzed by Trend Micro, the password was "kiss me," although of course it could be different for each campaign. Once executed with the correct password, the ransomware will scan all folders on the device and encrypt targeted files, creating ransom notes for each file it encrypts. For example, a file named test.txt could be encrypted as test.txt.script, and a ransom note could be created named test.txt.script.txt. While encrypting a device, removable and network drives are also targeted, with Windows system folders excluded from encryption to prevent rendering the operating system unusable. Using double extortion, the ransom note informs the victim that their files have been exfiltrated and threatens to publish and/or sell the stolen data if demands are not met. They also threaten to leak the data if the victim contacts the FBI about the attack. It's not detailed how the cyber criminals behind White Rabbit initially compromised networks, but researchers note the use of Cobalt Strike, which is a pen testing tool to gather information and move around affected systems. But something that has been detailed by researchers is what appears to be a connection between White Rabbit and Fin8. They note that a malicious URL connected to the attack has previously been connected with Fin8 activity. In addition to this, White Rabbit is being used alongside a never-before-seen version of Bad Hatch, which is a form of malware designed to create backdoors and to compromise networks and is associated with previous Fin8 campaigns targeting point-of-sale systems. For now, White Rabbit has limited itself to only targeting a few entities, but is considered an emerging threat that could turn into a severe menace to companies in the future. At this point, it can be contained by taking standard anti-ransomware measures like the following: deploy cross-layered detection and response solutions, create an incident response playbook for attack prevention and recovery, conduct ransomware attack simulations to identify gaps and evaluate performance, perform backups, test, verify, and keep offline backups as well. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, join a collaborative effort such as Red Sky Alliance to stay up to date on emerging threats. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the material and found it useful. If you have any questions on this subject, you can contact us via Jim McKee, jmckee@wapeclabs.com. If you're not a member yet, please sign up on our portal, redskyalliance.org. Your membership is free and will give you access to a variety of Red Sky Alliance content. See you next week.